Takže, teraz to vydám u toto, počkaj momentík, no. Teraz vydám u ďalšieho videa. Teraz si ukážeme, jak se přidat Zendaya na Skype a my to uvidíme hneď teraz. Dobre. Takže máte tu Skype a dáte si jej nick, nemusíte vedieť, ale je tu jej fotka. Takže zdôrazňuje to toto a zdôrazňuje toto. Tu je jej nick. Počítajte si to pozorne. Tak. Dobre. Potom máme tu Bellu Thorne. Ona má tiež taký nick a taká fotka. Takže tu je Skype. No. A potom tu máme Selenu. Počkajte chvíľku. No. Tu máme Selenu Gomez. Jak vidíte. Tak. Dobre. Teraz si ukážeme, aký má nick. Tak. A potom teraz si ukážeme môj nick. A to je Slovensko. A tu je môj nick. Dobre. Toto už nemusím ukazovať. A teraz ďalšiu Bellu Thorne. Proste tak. A potom toto. Takže aj Zuzana. Tak. Dobre, a teraz ideme si pridať Bellu Thorne. Takže sa pripravte. Ideme na to. Tu máte Bella Thorne, Spojené štáty. A tu po rusky. A tu také. Bulharsko. Takže. Tu máme priateľov. A tu si môžete pridávať. Takže toto bolo dobré video. Asi sa mi trošku učím. Teraz ideme si pozrieť video, že ako sa volá, počkajte, som sa pomýlil, že ako sa volá, ako zdvíha na Selena Gomez alebo spevačky. No, do toho rámčeka si napíšem Bella Thorne Muller. Takže tu si dám. A tu mi vyhľadá, aké číslo má na Bellu Thorne. Takže ideme sa pozrieť na to.
Hey guys, this is Noah Joy. It's Elizabeth. I'm reviewing. Give me my phone. Reviewing my face on YouTube. Do you like me? Well, I don't know. So anyway, this is my cousin, and yeah, she had made a random costume.
Počkaj, pozrieme sa, koľko tu mám minút.
So I put a link to that in the description box down there. Anyway.
5 minút. Dobre.
We're such big fans. 3 months. Not what I was gonna say, but for 3 months we've been searching for Bella Thorne's number because we're such big fans. And we finally found it this morning. It was like at 20 yeah. But I didn't want to make a tutorial. I didn't want to make a video on it because it's quality sound than this one. I know usually it's a cell phone, but this was made in like ink. So I'll just show you like her number a little bit on this phone. See, and I'll phone because it's a phone. Anyway, her number is. I'll give you guys a second. Okay. Okay. Get your phone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. Okay. Get your phone. Her number is 5, 6, 1,
Tak.
3, 5, 4, 8, 9.
And this is
Her real number.
Real.
Other people say it's not.
Like, this is a real number. Like, totally.
And no joke. But and we've been falling for that for 3 months now.
3 months. I mean, 2.
Не будемо так.
Okay. We're having some technical difficulties with the phone. So
Sorry.
we'll just call her and I'll give you her number. Maybe the phone will be ready by then.
Yeah.
Just shut it off because it was just like a gray screen.
Yeah,
So
like
you
a
got, like-
blur screen, so you guys can't see it.
Yeah, like you could literally, you could see when it's turned off.
So.
Okay, press it down and turn it on. Okay, keep pressing it down until you see this like
Okay.
So her number is 5 6 1 3 5 4. Or the phone says 8639.
So, sorry about the delay.
Go get the charger for the phone. It's on the mantle. Look, it's a little black charger.
Ja sam rozbiera.
It's a black charger. I'm so sorry about this. Oh, wait, you can see it.
Hey guys, you've reached Devin, so I'm unavailable to get to my phone right now, but I'll give you a call back whenever I get the chance. Thanks, bye.
But then, that's her phone. So, the
And that's
phone,
her.
this phone, so,
Takže to jest so, Marina. Ideme si dať ďalšie video. Takže. Už.
Hi guys, it's Beth Bella Thornton here and Shake It at JCB, and we are calling what we think is Bella Thorne's number. Here it goes. Dude, she might answer. Get up here. Where's she? I took them all out. I cut them out. To go on the collage. To go on the Bella Thorne collage. I already cut them out. I cut them out of all the magazines. There's no Bella Thorne.
Hey, it's Melanie here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, video check it out. I'll call you later if I can. Bye.
Oh my gosh. It was Bella. Shush. Did you hear? It was Bella Thorne's voice. It was Bella Thorne's voicemail. Okay, we're calling it again. I'll show you. It's Bella Thorne's voicemail. It is. She doesn't believe me. Did y'all hear it?
Hello?
Hi. Who is this?
This is Bella Thorne.
Is that Bella Thorne? Are you serious?
Yes.
Hi. We are your biggest fans. Like seriously, I like really.
Oh, hi, sweetie.
Hi.
So, do you want to shake it up?
Yeah, I watch it every single day. It's my favorite show ever. I love Shake It Up.
Me too. Oh, thank you.
And I love your new movie, Frenemies. You are so pretty.
Thank you. Do you like my name, Avalon?
Yes, I love that name. I love the
What's
name.
your name?
My name is Maggie.
Hi, I love that name.
Thank
Hi.
you. And
Hi.
this is Juliet. Hi.
Oh, hi.
She's also one of your really big fans.
Oh, cool.
My name is awesome.
Well, I just love having all these fans. So cool.
So can I like add you as a contact?
I guess so. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for answering. really just like is like a dream come true to us. We love you so much.
Anytime.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
A skončila. Takže toto je náš príbeh a teším sa opäť zajtra. Ďakujem. A pekný víkend. Stop.